Hi everyone, welcome to our assembly for week 8. We're going to start this afternoon's assembly with our acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge
the traditional owners
and custodians of this land. We acknowledge
the waterways,
the land, the sky, and all who
inhabit this place.
country.
We acknowledge
Our ancestors,
We acknowledge
our elders,
Who have gone before us.
and those who stand for us today.
We acknowledge our past
And stand here for our future country.
Now it's time for the national anthem. Can we all please stand for Advance Australia Fair?
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. With golden sword and wealth for joy, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. Big joyful strains and let us sing. Advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing. Advance Australia fair.
Time now for our Student of the Week awards. In Taylor's class this week, the Student of the Week is Thomas. Thomas was caring for others, doing great work, assisting friends, engaging in play. Well done. In Maddie's class, the Student of the Week is Bianca. Bianca was caring for her learning by independently using the pod and signing to communicate about the weather. Well done, Bianca. In Matt's class, the Student of the Week is Lucy. Lucy was caring for her learning, doing great work, making people feel better writing. Well done, Lucy. In Zoe's class, the Student of the Week is Eli. Eli was caring for his learning, engaging well in addition and subtraction activities. Well done, Eli. In Pat's class, the Student of the Week is Marcus. Marcus was caring for his learning, working hard on his STEM project. Well done, Marcus. In Carolyn's class, the Student of the Week is Brandon. Brandon was caring for himself, showing improvement in following instructions. Well done, Brandon. In Vanessa's class, the Student of the Week is William. William has been doing really well, getting ready and transitioning onto the school bus in the afternoon. Well done, William. And in the seniors, Destiny is a Student of the Week, caring for her learning, following instructions during sensory play. And Dimitri has been caring for self, being ready for the bus each day. Well done to all of our Students of the Week this week.
time for our Care Ticket Prize winners. Okay, Early Years O, our winner this week is Sammy. Early Years S, our winner is Adam. Middle H, and our winner this week is Eli. middle F. And our winner is Riley. Middle W. Our winner is Abraham. Middle M. Our winner is Marcus. And our winner from secondary T this week is Lucy. Well done to all our prize winners this week.
Happy Friday, team. I'm back again to tell you about another exciting week at Kirribilli and another exciting Care for the Week. This week it's been I'm ready for the bus, and next week it's going to be I complete my work. Okay, now it's time for the Care Wheel. Lots of students on our Care Wheel this week. I'm going to give it a good spin and we'll see who wins. Here we go. There goes Marcus, there goes Destiny, I see Sandy on there, Trent, Sophie, and it is Mia. Congratulations, Mia. If you go and see Kate on Monday, you'll get your prize. See you next week, and goodbye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Time now for our birthdays. Just one student birthday this week, and that's to Lewis. Happy birthday, Lewis.
This week's author of the week is Dominic. After reading Where the Wild Things Are, Dominic used his pod to find the emotions and wrote about Max's emotions using the alphabet flip chart. Congratulations, Dominic. Well done.
On Monday, we're saying thanks to our cleaners on Cleaners Day. Our cleaners do a terrific job here at Kirribilli Special School, and this term in particular, they've been working really hard to keep us safe and to keep our school nice and clean. Thanks a lot for all your hard work. Time now for our sign of the week, this week with Jenny. That brings us to the end of this week's assembly. Thanks for joining us. It's time now to end with our Kirribilli song.